Alright, this is my e-bike that I've made, and it is a 48 volt 1000 watt e-bike. There's 4 12 volt batteries here in this center section, and they're 22 amp hour batteries, so that gives it a whole lot of life. I've been able to go 20, sometimes closer to 30 miles on a single charge. I've actually never run the batteries out, so I'm not sure what the range really is. But anyway, so the batteries are housed in here, and then the control box is housed in here along with some other stuff like my Bluetooth speaker, various tools that I like to carry around with it. And then there's the control box, and then access to the battery down here where you can charge it. And I just threw a pillow in there just to keep this from vibrating too hard. But anyway, so there's the saddle bag. Put a different seat on there just for comfort. This is the power gauge and the on switch, so you can turn it on like that, and then you can see how your battery's doing. This is the actual motor. It's the 48 volt 1000 watt hub motor. That's basically it. It gets up to about 30 miles per hour.
What type of batteries?
And, the batteries are sealed lead acid batteries, SLA, and so they are sealed.
And what about the construction of the unit?
Oh, this here, yeah. I actually built this out of like angle iron, and I think some of it's actually aluminum. But anyway, this is stuff that you can actually find at a hardware store, and basically I've just bolted it all together with nuts and bolts.